I am on the Carnival Magic for a Bermuda cruise in a balcony cabin. So let's take a look at it. Starting from the front door, when you come in to the right, you will see the 3 cabinets, right? Ample space for all of your storage. In this cabinet, you will see that I have put my luggage, and there are some hangers as well, and some space on top. The next cabinet, even more space for your luggage. There's some hangers and even more space on the top as well. And this last cabinet, you have some shelving, 3 shelvings for use, because at the bottom you will see that there is the life vest. Now when you come in the cabin, to your left you will see the bathroom. It's an ample size shower. Here's the toilet. They always give you enough towels. And here is the sink. Here are some shelves available for your use. So it is a good size bathroom. After you pass the closets, to the right you will see this huge desk. They have provided you 4 drawers. There is a stool for you to sit at the desk. On top you will see the telephone. And here are some additional drawers to the left as well. And so some of you may be asking, where exactly is the fridge? And usually in these rooms there is a safe. Usually the safe is in the closet, but here in the Carnival Magic they have put it somewhere else. So here is the fridge, the mini fridge. And here in this cabinet they have provided you with a safe. Now back up a little bit. Now to the left there is the couch, nice size couch with a table in front of it for your use. Here is the bed, as well as 2 lamps right next to it, ample amount of light. There's not a lot of plugs you can see. There's 1 set of plugs behind the phone. There's not really much plugs in this room. So if you can bring extensions or permissible extension cords, then that would be most beneficial in this room. And here is the balcony. Decent sized space. 2 chairs are out here with a little table. Coming in, this is how the room looks. Just one more overview of the room. So what did I think of the room? I thought it was a nice size room, ample amount of space. I feel that in these older ships, they just don't have enough plugs. So if you're in a room like this with multiple people, you may need to bring an extension cord or power outlet or something of that nature, whatever is permissible by the cruise line. And so that may be limiting for some people, but I feel like the storage amount is enough. Again, if you need more space to store your luggage, you can also store it underneath the bed as well. But for me, as a solo cruiser, for this cabin, I think it's ample size enough for me for the course of this Bermuda cruise. Let me know what you think. Do me a favor, can you like, comment, subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. And until next time, happy travels.